Custer State Park is one of the largest state parks in the country. It's just a great place to come explore. We have everything from the mountains and the spires all the way down to the prairie and the buffalo. You're not confined just to boardwalks or certain paths. There's not just a one way to do things. I think that's one of the highlights of this park. You can make it your own.
Whether it's wildlife or landscapes, there's a lot of different opportunities within the park.
One of the neat things about the park is there's a lot of hidden gems. You never know what you're going to find or what's around the next corner. What those visitors are going through when they first see that buffalo herd. Yeah, that's why I do this. That's why this is cool, is to see that wonder in their eyes and they're like, this is awesome.
It's a great place to explore. Take the back roads. Sylvan Lake area.
Kayaking, canoeing, fishing.
Lots of hiking out of there.
Black Elk Peak, you can see the whole Black Hills. And we have iconic scenic drives, definitely the Wildlife Loop Road. That's where you are going to see quite a bit of the wildlife in the park. It's just a great scenic drive down there.
Visitors can get out on a horse, come over the hill, and there's just bison out there grazing all over the prairie. It's quite a sight to see.
You have anything from backcountry camping to the game lodge where you can make this a 5-star trip.
Custer State Park's a hidden treasure. It's that experience they'll remember forever.
Slow down, take a look around you, get out and make those memories for yourself. There's a little bit for everybody here at Custer State Park in the Black Hills of South Dakota.
Great places, South Dakota.